Good morning, guys. So I'm back, and this is my new plan. I'm gonna prepare the floors for the epoxy. So I have to get before the paint on the walls, because I'm thinking that it's gonna be a mess anyway. So better to be done with the floors, then I can paint and do the epoxy after that. So today's work is gonna be that it's gonna be cleaning up everything so I can prime the floor and put the concrete. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, this is taking a little bit longer than I thought. There's a lot of dry oil, so yeah, it's taking a lot of time to scrape it. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna come again tomorrow and maybe buy some chemicals so I can get it off easier. So see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, I'm back today, so I'm gonna look at this. This is some old oil. I think I mentioned it yesterday, so I'm gonna try to remove it. I bought some oil remover, so I'm gonna try it with that. To buy this, I can attach it to my screwdriver and use it to get it off. I think it's getting better, but I'm not there yet. Welcome back guys. So let's see what happened overnight. Wow. That looks strange. Dang. That is the oil remover I used yesterday. So yeah, oh my god. Now I think I have to put some water in it and push it outside. Okay, well, yeah, let me try. Guys, this is how it looks. Well, it is better, but I still don't know. I still gonna need a lot of more water. But the problem is that I don't have any water here or power. So I have to go home, get some water and come back. Good morning guys, and here we are back again. So as you can see, the oil is almost gone. I just put some oil remover again just right now, so that's why it looks a little bit wet. But you can see there still are some oil left. So I actually don't know if the primer's gonna hold on to it unless I remove it. I'm gonna clean the ceiling so I can prep it for the paint. Let's get it. So I'm doing this because there are some old wood pieces that I have to remove before I can paint. So this is why I have to remove it and clean it with water. What up guys, welcome back. So this is the next day and I still can't get it off. So I actually called a friend who has a friend that has a high water pressure that can probably take this off. So he gonna come tomorrow. So until that, I'm gonna wash the walls now to prepare it for the paint. Because you don't want any dust on the walls, then the paint won't stuck so good. Finally done for today, so you can see here I've done a lot of filler today also, some small pieces that I forgot before, so now it's all ready for paint, and tomorrow I'm probably gonna get the help from a friend of friends to clean the oil thing with the water pressures. What up guys, this is the next day. I have a kind of bad news. The friend who's gonna pressure wash the oil is not coming today but tomorrow. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm currently cleaning up everything and getting everything away from the floor. So it's ready for power wash tomorrow. I am finally done for today, so this is how it looks. Almost empty. So yeah, now it's ready for tomorrow's power wash. So guys, the washing is done. As you can see, almost everything, I would guess everything is gone. The little small black things are inside the concrete, so that can't be removed. But yeah, everything is gone. So basically now I have to prime it tomorrow, and when it's dry, prime it, and then I can put the concrete on again. So yeah, but now today I am gonna do some concrete filament here and out here. As you can see, there's some small holes that I have to fill with cement. So now it's dry, but I am still not quite happy. There's like some small oil things, and I'm not sure if the primer is gonna hold. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna think about that until tomorrow and decide what to do. But you can see here, did all this today, and it looks pretty good actually. I think. Also, there was a big hole here. So, what's up, guys? I just came back to prime this floor, so now it's ready for the concrete. It's probably gonna go tomorrow. Sorry that I forgot to record this, but yeah, it was pretty basic. It was like painting the walls, but it was just with the floors. See you soon. Bye. I am on my way to buy some more concrete. 2 or 40 kilos is not enough, so I need 200 apparently. So yeah, let's go. So here you go, guys. 200 kilograms. Yes. So again, sorry I forgot to record, but here are some pictures of it. Sorry I didn't record, but like I think it's okay when you're thinking I'm a newbie, but I don't like it so much. You can see so maybe I can sand it after it's done dry. So yeah, but we're gonna see. So I'm done with all of these. It was 180 kilograms for all this. I only got one bag left, so yeah. So now it's gonna dry for a couple of days, and maybe I can send some of it. And I'm gonna clean that got outside before I go home today. See you soon. Good morning, guys. Today is really sunny, so I'm gonna work a little bit on this garage. So today I am going to make these edges a little bit smoother. So like give it like 2 centimeters here and make it smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. But before that, I am going to put some paper on the whole floor to protect it from the wall paint. That's the first thing I am going to do. Finished for today, so everything is prepped for the paint, and you can see how I did this concrete thing. You can see now it's smooth. That was what I tried, at least. But probably before I paint for the last time, I have to change these wood things because they are getting rotten. So I'm gonna change those before the paint. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today, this is what we are going to do. We're gonna change those rotten woods upstairs. Yeah, up on the ceiling. So guys, I am finished with this. Take a look at this. I actually really like it. I think it's good work, but yeah. Let me know what you think down below. So yeah. So now I am ready for paint. Finally, I have said this many times, but now I actually can begin to paint. I think tomorrow I am going to paint the first section with the light gray. See you tomorrow.